If she is not participating in the sixth event, her score will not be there and America cannot win. That's the situation. Everyone was upset. Everyone broke down. At that point of time, after the doctor comes and checks up and certifies that there is a ligament tear, and he bandages up the whole area around the ankle, and she's limping. And the sixth event comes up, and this the 15 years old girl tells the coach and the manager, "I'll go participate." And they were shocked. How can you are already limping? How will you participate and complete it? Even if you do it, you will break your leg. The doctor says you will break your leg, and the coach says, "Don't forget it. Doesn't matter. We will take care of the next Olympics." She says, "Nothing doing. I'll go." And the sixth event, she runs and then she jumps, and then as she lands, she cracks her leg. They give you the sound of the bone cracking in the Olympics. She jumps, walls, and falls. When she lands, she breaks her bone. The bone is cracking and she's crying. And then they bandage up the whole leg and taken whatever medical attention shall be given was given. And then they come. US gets the gold medal in gymnast Olympics. And all the team were standing there, and ultimately she was garlanded with the golden one ribbon. She receives it. The entire world stands up and claps. When the team wins, when there are three teams and one team wins, when the team, whichever team wins, that's the time all the three teams will be standing in their dais, and the winner country's flag will be hoisted, and the winner country's national anthem will be played. So Kerry Strug, along with the team members, standing there in the number one podium, and the American flag goes up, and the American national anthem is played, and Kerry Strug says, "This is my commitment. Just because my leg is broken, USA should not lose the gold medal. Not only that, with my support, I am going to play my role and see that my flag is hoisted, my national anthem is played, and the entire audience, about 100,000 people, get up and salute my flag. In the process, if my leg is broken, it is okay. My leg will be all right in 2 months' time. But it takes 4 more years for the Olympics to come. Olympics is important. National flag is important. National anthem is important. Making the entire world, 200 countries, to stand up and salute my national flag and national anthem is important. Breaking my leg is incidental. Influencing without authority. Commitment. Applied integrity. Unique purpose. Everything is here. Get the point?
Yes.
So,
Doctor,
Sir,
just
even in India, we can see so many examples like Milka Singh, Sudha Chandran, their commitment.
yeah, India is also there. I am not denying it. Viswanathan Anand, the guy is extremely intelligent. If you give him 2 feet by 2 feet, the chessboard, take the board away, he doesn't know anything. But then the man is committed to creating a lot of chess players. Because of his commitment and because of his contribution in Chennai and Tamil Nadu, the thousands of children are learning chess. He lives elsewhere, I think Spain or Portugal, someplace, wherein his teachers are there and they play every day.
Doctor,
So that,
sorry.
huh?
Doctor, influence without authority.
Ah.
Could you give some corporate examples? Because I personally struggle there.
I was speaking about assistant manager and all those things. Workers.
Okay. Yeah, correct. The Navy.
See, when you own the job and you like the job and you like people around, then you can influence people. Some people influence people because the mummy says, go to sleep. Why? Because I am mummy and your baby, go to sleep. Because I say so. Many a time the boss says, I say so. You don't need to say so. If I am committed, I will do it. Do I like my job? Are you creating an environment wherein I am happy coming to office? Many a time we go to office fearing the boss. Out of necessity, out of compulsion, out of no other go, we go to office. I'm saying, love to go to office to meet friends. Be there, enjoy your job. If money comes, it's okay. Money doesn't come, it's okay. I'm working. When you're working, money comes. When you're working, your name, fame comes. Are you totally committed like? I normally quote Kamal Hassan here.
Sir, can
Kamal
I add
Hassan
something,
loves
sir?
this movie. Yes, goes, doctor. Yes, doctor.
So you see the actually when you have some influence with authority,
Hmm.
it is actually called force.
Yes.
Yes, the boss says I do it. The politician says do it. The police officer says do it.
Hmm.
And the influence without the authority is called power actually.
Hmm.
That is a real power wherein that the workers, the gate people were with the assistant manager.
That's right.
So that is the real human power actually. Mahatma
That
Gandhi
is in
said
building
something
communication and
something.
relationships.
Yeah,
Truly care for the other
that.
people.
Yes, yes.
You're
So
right.
where we usually mistake it is
Hmm.
when the person in authority he talks something,
Hmm.
when you listen to him, it is actually force. It is not power.
Yeah.
The human power is willingly given without authority.
You are absolutely correct. I fully endorse you.
Sometimes if we I can give example of myself, sir. I worked in a production company
Hmm.
where I was into production, and there are lots of workers there. So I was very friendly with most of the workers, and I was working in Bangalore then, and there are many Telugu people. I'm a Telugu person,
Hmm.
and I should, I mean, like with everyone I should speak. They should call me Akka.
Hmm.
Okay, they should come and call me Akka. Like my colleagues were so jealous that these people should come and call me Akka. I should speak to them. I mean, like you said, I should go and sit with them, drink tea, take biscuits, and I will share everything. And when some situation comes there, they'll, if these workers go to some other colleague of mine and they ask some help, they directly they say, why can't you go and ask your akka?
Hmm.
Okay, your akka is there, so why can't you? Like
Yeah.
other colleagues, here the politics also comes when we do this. So this also happens.
Don't change your role. Stick to what you're doing. I fully endorse you. I appreciate it. Keep
Yeah,
at
I
it.
can change it. I resigned. Everyone were very close to me, and even my manager, he should appreciate. But though they should tell me that you should not to give that much of no leverage to the workers. You
That
should
is the way
maintain
they
your
were trained earlier. Forget that.
yeah
I go with you what you do, not what they prescribe.
yeah
They say keep some secrets, maintain a distance from people, don't move with them like that.
yeah.
No, I
Because
care
like
more for emotional intelligence.
yeah. So even from watchmen to
Hmm.
the my department workers, everyone were close to me. But some people couldn't take that. Like, see, no watchman. She calls. I should call Anna to watchman because he's younger. I can't. I mean, call his name. So I should call Anna Anna. So
That
these people
works.
know why you are doing that. So even
That's
like
the
this, it
way we
happens.
build relationships, and that works. I strongly recommend that.
Okay.
As I told you earlier, I was working as a clerk in LIC, and there are about 5 people in the rank of zonal managers in the top floor, LIC building, Mount Road, Chennai. Top people in the rank of zonal managers. In between us, there are 10 different grades. But I was a trainer. I was doing training program every place, also to LIC. It so happens there was a person by name KK Krishnan from Kerala who was one of the zonal managers. He really wanted to talk to people about training, but nobody could talk to him about training. I was the only person. So I go to him in the morning by 10 o'clock and I greet him. He says, be with me here.
Okay.
So morning till evening, I was with him discussing only training programs and other areas. By the time the files come and you will look at the files and you'll clear it, and then you'll keep talking with me. And I'll say, I'll go to my lunchtime, I'll go eat. Go bring your food here and we will eat together. And other people were really, really jealous, saying that how can you spend so many hours in zone manager and in his cabin, eat with him? because we were discussing training. And we didn't have much people to talk about training.
Yes, sir.
So that way it's good. I recommend that. Others? Others? Questions?
Sir, I joined little late. Just one or two example on unique potential and purpose.
Everyone has got a unique potential. The idea is to explore very many things and identify one of them.
Okay.
You just can't go identify this is a phone I like, or this is the saree I like. You go through all the different kinds of colors and different kind of designs and different kind of pricing, and then you pick up the one. So that way, go through everything and find out which you like. Normally they teach us 5 subjects which I hate. If there was no mathematics, I would have done 10 more different things beautifully. You
Okay.
give me one maths book and you give me 10 psychology book, I can do wonders with 10 psychology books in the same time. But then our curriculum is not okay with it. You need to identify the people's talents and then teach them. You don't teach mathematics to everybody. You don't teach physics, chemistry to everybody. You don't teach botany, zoology to everybody. Did you ask me what do I like? I can do some physical work. I can do some artistic work. I can do some singing work. I can do anything that I please. How come the schools give you only 5 subjects for 10 years? That's the way they spoil our entire lives. Again and again, almost barring the Sun TV, I have given an interview in almost all the Tamil TVs. In every TV, I have said that our education system is bad. When there are 100,000 subjects available, why are you teaching me maths, science, and history, geography? Tamil I understand, English I understand because I need to communicate, talk. Other subjects, give me a choice. Every school must have 20, 30 subjects. And every student must be willing to take 2 or 3 or 4 subjects. I select 4 subjects I like and then I study. Children must be given the opportunity. Children must be exposed to everything. First 5 years, they must be given an opportunity to explore all the subjects. And then in the 6th standard, they will select the subject, 3 subjects, their choice. Not which makes money, not which mummy daddy tell you, not which teachers want you to learn. Jovially, they say, never ask a fish to climb the mountain and then say you failed. Never ask a fish to climb a tree and tell the fish you failed. Ask the fish to do some tricks inside the water.
Doctor, sorry for this question.
Yes.
It's kind of bugging me for the last 3-4 days.
Hmm.
I mean, you say that the whole emotional progress and everything happens between 1 to 5.
Hmm.
And
0
now
to 5.
0 to 5. 0 to 5. That's even more scary. Right? It's like Ariyada vayasula அப்படினுவாங்கல்ல அந்த மாதிரி. So how, I mean, do we have a scope to improve? Do we have at 44, right? I'm 44. Do I have a scope to improve? This is the first question that I have. And the second question I have, this is like an eye-opener course to me, right? I have 2 children.
Shall I answer the first question? Will you repeat the first question? I'll answer and then I'll come to the next.
Okay. The first question is like, I'm 44, right? Because it happens between 0 to 5. Do I still have a scope to change?
Yeah, number 1 answer. Nelson Mandela, he was in jail for 29 years. After coming back, what did he do? He divorced his wife, married another girl.
That's easy, doctor.
29 years, the guy was in jail, comes out, divorces his wife, marries another, starts a new life, and becomes president of South Africa, whatever he plays, and then the whole country respects him.
Why he did that, sir?
I'll complete. Soccer match happens in South Africa. Soccer match, people go crazy there. And when the soccer match inauguration day and Nelson Mandela's birthday, 95th birthday, they come together. The entire South Africa media talks only about Nelson Mandela's 95th birthday. Nobody spoke about soccer. Nobody spoke about football. That's the power. Guy was in jail for 29 years. Guy divorces his wife, remarries, and people accept. And the guy's birthday comes, 95th birthday comes, South Africa inaugurates international football match there, and nobody talks about football, everybody talks about Nelson Mandela's birthday. Meaning at 95, if he could do so much, I'm telling you at 44, how much could you do?
Thank God.
There is a story about Tiger Woods as well.
Yeah.
Because when he was changing, everybody in the world thought like he has become drug addicted and he's not doing anything, he's going bad to worst. But in the background, he had changed his coach and he was trying to practice the other shot, because earlier he used to hit, the height was his winning thing, but then he increased the length by reducing the height of that
That's
ball
right.
shot.
He was changing.
He was changing. It took like good 4 to 5 years, but the entire world was blaming him because he was losing constantly. Then it took like good 3 to 4 years, and then he came back after changing his entire self, because he said that it was very difficult for me to unlearn and then relearn something.
That's right.
Yeah.
Unlearning is something nobody talks about. Nice word you brought in, Jyoti. Nice word, unlearning. Everyone is interested in learning. Are you unlearning? Today it is 7th. Exactly 1 week later, I tell you, we'll be celebrating
Charles
a
Darwin.
festival called Bogi in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Meaning of Bogi, do you what? 14th day, it is Thai, and then it is harvesting day. Meaning when they harvest, nearly 1000 kg of rice will come inside home to take care of you for the next 1 year. 1 year's rice will be harvested and brought in. The rest of the rice will be sold. In order that 1 year's fresh rice to come inside my house, I need to clean my house. Cleaning my house is not taking this by the left side and taking that by the right side and taking front to back and back to front. Cleaning is taking it to the roads and burning them.
Burning.
That's called bogi. All the dirt must be put in the road, burnt. Then it is a safe place for a fresh life to come in so that it can feed you for the next 1 year. Meaning by January 13th, they also paint the homes. Whitewashing painting will be done in the first week of January, so that for January 14th, Tamil Nadu will be, all houses will look beautiful those days, but nowadays things have changed. What I'm saying is, at a given point of time, we need to change. One more thing that we can learn is from the trees. We have a lot of trees in front of our house here. Starting 1st of January to 28th or 29th or 1st of February to 28th of February, all the leaves will fall down. By and by in February, you can get to see only the skeleton of the trees everywhere. And from 1st of March, you get to see that fresh, the light green leaves will sprout. And by the time 1st of April, it will be dense. In front of you, the tree is telling you, I am shedding everything over, I am starting anew. So you can look at the tree in February, you can look at Tamil Nadu in January 15th, and then you will renew yourself, you will replenish yourself, and burn anything that is unwanted. Burn all thoughts, burn all feelings. Give it up, incinerate, do it once and for all, and then come over. Start anew. 1st of March, fresh leaves. That way you can do. What's the next question, Rajesh? Hello?
Sorry, doctor, I was in mute. How
Right,
do we, the 0 to 5, right? I
Ah.
mean, now that my kids are like teenage, so how do I get the kids to understand this and how do I help them?
Next month, I'll give you a parenting psychology course. Attend the course.
Doctor, do something for kids, doctor. 45 also how to study.
Udemy.com. I'm giving all of you tomorrow Udemy.com. My entire course on transaction analysis.
Actually, I was actually very keen to understand. Is there something for kids where it can help the kids to really understand this. I mean, this is very useful. I really wish I was able to attend this when I was young.
Yeah, right. Or teenage, you cannot change. Teenage, you can always understand.
Okay. Okay.
So give them the larger circle. They want to be independent. They want to take risk. They are not afraid of punishment. They are not afraid of their life.
Okay.
They drive fast. They know that they could end up in accident. They can break their legs. They can even die. But then they will do that, and that's the way the nature is designed them. That's the only way you cut off your parents and you are on your own and decision-making person. You are willing to take risk. You gain self-confidence for yourself. And by the time 25, you settle in the office and become interdependent. Office needs me, I need the office. My husband needs me, my wife needs me. I need my wife, I need my husband. And my children need me, I need my children. Then it's all interdependence. So
And-
up to 15 dependence, 15 to 25 in India is independence, and then 25 to rest of your life interdependence. So if you cannot get independence and if you cannot take a risk, tomorrow you will be fit for a worker or an assistant. You will not fit to be a general manager, take a decision, run a team, or do something on your own. To take a decision, to take a risk on behalf of the organization, you need to be risk taking in 15 and 25 with your body, with your mind, with your actions. And you want obedient children between 15 and 25, it doesn't work. If you get obedient children, you will get obedient workers in the office for the next 35 years.
Super.
Nature has designed you and I in such a way, action is there till such time you have immaturity. By the time you gained maturity, action went away. When you have action, maturity will not be there. When you have maturity, action will not be there. Now I am too old. Yeah, you are matured. You cannot be active.
And sir, to any relationship to be actually beneficial, it must be interdependent. And as you said, it comes after independence. And
Yeah.
Sharon, only you understand that this was wrong, this was right, and I had to learn it my way. And this
That's
is
right.
very-
Interdependence is important.
Yes.
There cannot be a husband without a wife. There cannot be a mummy without a baby. You need the other person.
Good evening, everyone.
Sir Rajesh, sir, you
No,
asked
the
me
baby is
that
saying something.
She's saying good
Shall I
evening,
give-
everyone.
Good
Shall I
evening,
give-
dear.
one point, no? Rajesh sir asked, what I have to do with my children? Just to stop giving don't messages. Do messages. That one will make you children fly high.
Very useful information given by Ganesan. Don't tell them don't messages. What you want them to do, give them that message. Don't come late, doesn't work. I want you to be here by 8:30 so that we can all have dinner. And then go wherever you want. You can't do that. Tell them what do you want them to do. Always put it in positives. All don't messages, they automatically rebel. So teenagers are somebody who you cannot control. You can only influence. You need to be a friend in order to make the teenager do what you want them to do.
Got it, doctor. Doctor,
Teenagers teach you a lot, learn. All the other people are inactive people.
Yeah.
Teenagers are the active people who can teach you. Learn from teenagers. The way they communicate, the way they operate the cell phone, the way they operate computers, the way they move, the way they take decisions. You must be pretty quick like them. Model them, emulate them, mimic them, copy them.
How to
thanks,
behave.
doctor.
Yeah, welcome.
Thanks for answering both the questions. One compliment.
Welcome.
One compliment.
Ah.
You look so young. My inner kid is young. My inner kid is young. The real me is exhausted and old.
Normally in my training programs, after full day's work or 5 days work, people will tell me, I do 5 days NLP also, 2 days TA also, 2 days hypnosis also, 1 day programs also. So when in the evening, people normally ask me, how come you are so energetic now? I got all the energy from all of you. Speaking with you, I got my energy. 5 o'clock, I am fully charged up. So good. Thank you. Thank you for the compliment. Others questions?
Sir, can we, whatever we are learning, as you said, like 15 to 25, okay, they are independent. But before 15, at least for 11 to 15 years, like 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th student, can we give awareness on emotional intelligence to them?
Tell
Because
them.
they are
Talk
dependent.
about all the emotions. All the emotions.
Okay,
They also say if you commit a mistake and don't tell mommy, you feel guilty.
yeah,
Yeah, I don't want you to feel guilty. Instead, I want you to feel happy about yourself by telling me what has happened so that it's cleared up.
yeah,
You need not have to feel guilty in front of me. You made a mistake, tell me. So I'll tell you it's okay, it got cleared up. When children don't tell mommy and they feel guilty about it and they keep on accumulating more guilt, their efficiency, effectiveness, all those things go up. And they want to move away from mommy because they feel guilty about not telling mommy. Give them the space to tell you whatever they want.
okay.
Supposing I don't know, how old are your kids?
No, no, not, I'm not married, sir. I'm a trainer.
Right,
I
right,
do
right.
for
Right, it doesn't matter. The
coaching.
way in which you are questioning me, I thought you had kids, like, I'll tell you something. If 14 years old boy or girl comes and tells you, mommy, mommy, today all of us cut class and we went for a movie. What you should tell the boy or the girl is absolutely okay, comfortable. I have also done similar things in my age, but let us not tell daddy. Now you have a pact. Now you become friends. Now you have given your children the space to tell them what mistake they have committed, and they've told mommy. Even if they have not told daddy, already mommy is my team and I have conveyed it to mommy, I don't need to feel guilty. Daddy, if tomorrow he comes to me, no, and then he asks me, I already told mommy, didn't mommy tell you? I can turn the table. Boy feels comfortable, their daughter feels comfortable. I am saying become a very good friend to your son and daughter. When you do that, and children will keep on revealing themselves to you. Instead, if you tell them, did you cut the class? When daddy comes, I'll report. And then you report to daddy. And then daddy comes and slaps you. And then you decide, mommy is not trustworthy and daddy is an arrogant person. I will continue to cut class and then continue to watch movie. I will see that I will keep it as a secret. Because you have not given them the space. Emotional space. So anytime your children commit a mistake, one more thing that I recommend people to do is different times we go to our office, school, college in the morning. Different times we eat in the office, school, college. Different times we come back home in the evening. But we can make it a point to eat together dinner. So set a time. It can be 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, whatever time you like. Set a time and see that all the people in the family will sit together and then we will eat. When you are eating, the man or the woman, they will start talking about what has happened in the family or in the office. The lady is employed, she will talk about the office. Today, this is what has happened in my department. This is what my colleague said. This is what my subordinate said. This is the reason why my boss scolded me. My subordinate committed a mistake. My colleague did not turn up. Whatever happened, you give a talk, and then for about 2 to 5 minutes, you give a talk, and then you remain quiet. And then daddy picks up saying something about what has happened in his office, and he will remain quiet for about a minute too. When mommy has spoken about the office, daddy has spoken about the office, or mommy has spoken about what has happened, what she was doing in the family, and then both of them remain quiet, it will be a pregnant silence. After 2 minutes or so, either the boy or the girl, they will start talking about the school and the college. In case you ask them to come and sit, and then you pick up one little bit of bread, and then you ask them, what happened in your college? Nothing happened. What did you do? I went to class. And what was the class? Science. What did they teach you? Chemistry. In chemistry, what did they teach you? Nitric acid. What did they tell you in nitric acid? Even if I tell you, daddy, you won't understand. Till the end, you will not get the right answer that you want. What you need to do is talk about your office, remain quiet. And then he will say, do you know what happened in my office, in my college, daddy? And then he will say, jovially, satirically, we say, Daddy is the last person to know that his son smokes. The entire world knows. Everybody knows son is smoking. Why daddy does not know? Daddy never sat with the son next to him and ate with them. If only you sit next to him, he will immediately know the breath. You cannot smoke in the morning and get away with your daddy in the evening time. Smoking always reflects. Daddy is the last person to know my son is smoking. So sit together and you will get to understand. Talk about you, they will talk about themselves. Create a scenario in such a way they are encouraged to talk. Don't criticize. Don't blame them. Tell them, when I was young, I was doing the same thing. Every teenager has done some similar activities. Don't expect Buddhas to be your children.
Doctor,
Sir, one more addition to
repeat,
Ramji.
doctor.
Don't expect your children to be Buddhas.
Super, doctor.
The beauty of Buddha is when he knows the answer, he will smile. When he does not know the answer, he will smile.
One more addition to Ramji, to the question of Jyoti Honda. He said that emotion is contagious. So the children follow and resembles the parent. Boys resemble the behavior of father. Daughter follow the behavior of the women. So by setting examples in the emotions, that is a good lesson for their children to be emotionally managed.
When children, thanks Ganesan, when children beat up classmates in the school, the correction must, you must look at mummy, daddy, who they are beating. It is not the boy beating his classmate. He has modeled his daddy or mummy. And people say children should not beat up each other in the classroom. Check up mummy, daddy. They have modeled. Children do not start beating up other children all by themselves. Invariably, once daddy goes to office, the moment daddy leaves for office, the youngest one, 3 years old at home, boy or girl, they will pick up the biggest chappal and then they will pick up some bag and then they will tell mummy, 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 I am going to office. All the children will do that. Because they've seen daddy going out, putting on a chappal, taking a bag, going out. All the children will automatically model daddy. So be a person who can be modeled. If children do not do what you don't like, do what you don't like, then very likely they model that from you also. Check within. Now again, Nayak and Velu Nayakar. This Velu Nayakar's daughter here beats up Janagraj, slaps Janagraj. I feel like beating him, and this little girl slaps Janagraj. And then he gets so wild, how can my daughter slap my friend? Friend is more important. Where did you learn slapping? And then Janagraj will say, only from us. எங்க இருந்து கத்துக்கின நீ என்ன? நம்ம கிட்ட இருந்து தான் நாயக்கிறேன். நம்ம கிட்ட தான் நாயக்கிறேன். எங்க இருந்து வந்தது அந்த அடிக்கிற பழக்கம் அப்படின்னு வேல் நாயக்கர் கேட்கிற போது ஜனகராஜ் பதில் நம்ம கிட்ட தான் நாயக்கிறேன்.
அந்த டயலாக் அப்படியே மனசுலயே நிக்குது டாக்டர்.
Powerful dialogues. What else? Hello, what else?
Sir, it's 9:20, sir.
Sorry, Appa. We'll wrap up and come tomorrow, okay?
Yes, sir. Good night.
Yes,
We
yes,
enjoyed
sir.
it. That's great.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
doctor.
And I'll be
Thank
giving
you
you all
so
of
much,
you
sir.
udemy.com, my coupon. And the only thing is you need to use the coupon in a day or two. Preferably, the moment you receive it, immediately access it and enroll.
Okay.
Transaction analysis A to Z complete in about 30 videos and 2 hours odd time. Everything about TA in a nutshell that is given to you in English. Right? So take the coupon, immediately enroll, join udemy.com, register and join the course. And by you can finish it. I would appreciate it if you do it in about a week or so. But I strongly encourage you to join immediately, because otherwise the coupon will expire. Coupon is valid hardly for 2 or 3 days. I do not know. So I will give you the coupon tomorrow. Immediately, all of you register, and then in about a week, complete the course and give me a feedback. Give a rating in udemy.com also. Right?
Sure, sir.
Seeing you tomorrow.
Yes,
See you,
sir.
sir. Good
Thank
night.
you.
Good night.
And
Thank
for
you,
tomorrow,
sir.
please join early so that we can start the session too. Otherwise, it
Yeah,
takes some time.
come
Yeah.
in time by 7
By
o'clock.
7.
Make
Yes,
it
sir.
6:40 by 6:50. I'll
Sure, sir.
open it by 6:50, right?
Yes,
Tulsi
sir.
and I will do it.
Yes, sir.
We
Thank you,
enjoyed
sir.
today's session, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you,
sir.
and bye,
Thank
and good
you.
night, sweet
Bye-bye.
dreams.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
I want the email ID and phone number of everybody. Send it to me, 93810 34310.
And you can
Tulsi,
also send it to
Tulsi.
my number as well, 909-404-6595. You can send it to me as well. So we will coordinate and we'll get you things done.
Right. Then
Thank
only I
you.
can give it to you.
Yeah, thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone. Thank you, Ganesh and Gopal, sir.
Thank you.
Valid points. Thank you, Kuti. I was not able to talk to you, dear.
What's the name?
Rihanna. Okay, she wants to speak. That's why she said that nobody spoke to me. Okay,
Oh,
okay.
yeah, please. Now you get
I'm
the
just- I'll
chance.
speak to
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
Hi.
And not cry. Now they want to speak to you. Now smile. Show
क्या
them-
नाम है आपका?
Okay, 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 okay.
That's
What
okay.
is your
Maybe
crying?
she
Bye.
might be
Good
better.
Good night.
Okay.
Good night.
Bye.
I really
Sleep
wanted
well.
to speak with her, but it so happened somebody opened up and then I had switch over.
Yeah, we must have separate class only with children, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Good night,
What's your
baby.
name?
Good. What's your name?
Rana Handa.
Rihanna.
Rana.
Rihanna. Rihanna. Nice name.
R-I-H-A-N-N-A.
Rihanna.
Reanna. Rihanna.
R-I?
Reanna. Rihanna.
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 Very,
Nice.
very beautiful name. Very
Thank you.
beautiful name.
Beautiful name.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Which
You're
class are you
welcome.
in?
Yeah.
Which class are you in?
First class 1B.
Wow.
1B?
Section also. Okay.
You
With
know,
the
all
section.
the children will say the section, I tell
Section,
you.
yeah.
Yes.
Who is your close friend?
Ah, that's a nice question.
Ria.
Ria.
Wow, Ria,
Rihanna.
Rihanna.
Ria. Okay.
Right.
So beautiful, so beautiful. Good night, baby. Go sleep with mommy.
Rihanna will sing.
Bye. Sweet
all
dreams.
love
See you
you.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
dear.
everyone.
Tomorrow also,
Bye-bye.
Rihanna. Bye.
Join
Come
tomorrow,
also.
Rihanna. Come
Right?
tomorrow too. Bye.
Tomorrow.
Come tomorrow. Okay.
Bye.
Bye,
Sleep well.
Rihanna.
Bye.
Night, night.
Bye bye. Good
Bye.
night. Good night, everyone.